How are you guys? The funny thing is, this is like actually a lot of people at a show for me. It's just that the density per unit volume is low. This is a song called Compressor. And it's a different beat than the one I just Can you guys hear everything okay? It's okay to talk back, you know. Compressor repair is not in my skill set. That's why the floor is wet. Why? Those broken unit and I crawled up across the puddle and thing and lost my traction for a while. But I was safe. I don't care. The only thing that I knew how to fix things was leaving our shoes at God, and I praying for run off, and we smashed your AC, and it's broken free on coil. It was an energy star. It wasted BTU. It wasn't right, but it was there because I want you to be cool. Wanted you to be cool. Cooled off, got a reaction. I want you to be cool. Wanted you to be cool. Wanted you to be cool. Cooled off, got a reaction. I want you to be cool. I think we're overcoming this low unit person per cubic meter density problem pretty well, huh?